Hey everyone, how's it going? Matt here, and today I'll be unboxing for you my Apple AirPods Max. I just finally received them in the mail after about a month and a half on back order. I went with the space gray with these. I looked at the other colors and I just wasn't honestly a big fan of some of the others, so I just went with the space gray. So now we'll get right into the unboxing. As for the box itself, it's pretty heavy compared to other headphone boxes. I assume that's due to the aluminum material that it's made out of. Here's a picture of the headphones in the case, which I've heard some compare it to either it looks like a handbag or a brassiere. But interesting design, Apple. Interesting. Right, so waiting, and there it is. All right, so here are the headphones themselves. We'll set those off to the side just for a quick sec. Here's all of your paperwork designed by Apple in California. Notice no stickers this time. Apple's going away from the stickers or what they're doing. I know some people are kind of upset with that. I honestly don't care. I think after every Apple product I've purchased, I've never even used the stickers. Here's your charging port, or excuse me, your charging cable. It's a USB-C and to Lightning, and you can just use that to plug in and charge the headphones. All right, so just looking at from starting with the case itself. Case looks like it's made of a silicone, like rubbery type material. The interesting thing though about the case is actually this is the way that you power them down. There's no power button like you would find on a normal pair of headphones, like a pair of Bose or of Beats. So if you don't have the case, for some reason if you say you forget it at home, you lose it or whatever, you can't power down the headphones. And which Apple promises about 20 hours of battery life on normal listening time. But when you put them in the case, they power down. They go to a super low power mode. So just make sure you don't lose the case. All right, taking them out. Oh, here's the protective covers for the earphones. So looking at the aluminum finish here with the space gray, overall great quality. I can see where the weight comes from. That's why they're so heavy, just because the entire outer shell is made of the aluminum. So here's the ear cups. They're just magnetic, super easy to pop out and pop back in. If you lose these, or if, say your dog chews them up or something by accident, you can order a replacement pair on Apple's website for 69 bucks. Nice. Or if you just want a different color than what comes with them. But overall, just super easy to pop out though. And they just magnetically go back into place. So going back to this outer material, I definitely foresee this getting scratched easily, so I would be careful leaving these out of the case, because don't want to get scratched. There are two buttons on the headphones themselves, similar to an Apple Watch if you have one. You have your digital crown, which controls the volume, and you have your main button, which can switch between transparency mode or the noise canceling. We won't be testing that out today. This is just a simple unboxing just to kind of show you the headphones themselves. Like I said, these retail for $550. That is not cheap by any means. All right, so next, the adjustable pieces here off to the side. They're just right, not too loose, not too tight. I definitely don't see them shifting in place by accident. But overall, that's super nice. So Apple definitely got this right with the build quality. The only thing I'm worried about is this netting type material for on top of your head. I could see that tearing very easily, or maybe becoming worn after a bit of use. And it doesn't look like this comes apart, so there's no way to really replace this yet that we know of. So on the side here, you also see a bunch of slots. These are actually speakers that assist in the noise canceling. From things I've read, that apparently this is some of the best noise canceling that you can buy. I know that's probably a bold statement, but in the next video, I'll give them a test and see exactly how they sound. So if you're new to my channel, feel free to like and subscribe to this video. I'm still new to the whole YouTube game, so I'm just trying to slowly dive in and work on my video skills and my video editing skills. I'm actually wearing this GoPro on my head to film this video. I don't have a fancy tripod or any of that. So people asking, I'm sure people asking about, yes, the Blanton's bourbon over there in the corner. I'm a Blanton's, I wouldn't say connoisseur, but I do like collecting Blanton's bourbon. Which is odd that it's so hard to find here in the States, considering that I'm in South Carolina and the distillery is 8 hours away and I can't find a single bottle to buy. I actually I found these in other countries. But so, back to the headphones. Sorry, I'm getting a little distracted, but really for the headphones, that's all I got. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. All right, have a good one.